At the time when there is a conflict between the center and the state, the party president of Karnataka Congress is here trying to defend his own chief minister as well as the government here in Karnataka. Mr. D.K. Shivakumar, sir, thank you for speaking to India today, this special segment, sir. Today you have heard the High Court interim observation, if I can say, at least the verdict, which says a temporary relief that a lower court cannot take any coercive action against the chief minister in another petition, and the date has been adjourned to 29th of August. How do you see, because you have another 10 days, every day BJP is planning to protest, and this temporary relief that you have got, is it a midterm success?
So first I would like to clarify to you, it is not an attempt to defend my chief minister. I am defending my chief minister. 100% I am solidarity, my party and me and my legislators, we stand committed because it is the mandate of the people of Karnataka. This is number one. Number two, as you pointed out on this verdict of the court, quite natural. When the matter has been discussed in the High Court, lower court can't take any decision. This is the basic principle and the law of this country.
But is that some relief, or you are still apprehensive that something might happen, a coercive action might come up next week, and there might be no stay for the chief minister? Like, what are your plan A, plan B, plan C?
See, the matter is in the court. I can't influence the court. But one thing I can tell you, that the law of this country will protect my chief minister. There is no evidence to prove that my chief minister has done anything wrong or he has ordered anything on that. This is purely a political drama which is going on, and the governor shouldn't have acted to it, and the cabinet which took place under my leadership has given various judgments to connect it to that. Government must reject the petition filed by various claimants.
In fact, today Karnataka Congress had called for protest across the state and all districts as well. Many people commented about Governor go back. The same governor was friendly with the state government for till August 15th, because even in the governor address, he's spoken about the guarantee scheme being successful in the state. What suddenly changed between the relation of the governor as well as the Raj Bhavan as well as the state government?
I think it is better you ask Raj Bhavan why such a change has happened. Nothing has happened. It is a government formed by the will of the people of Karnataka. So you should have asked the governor instead of asking me.
When we spoke to him in his office, what we could pick up is that he feels there's prima facie evidence that there is a case. There's some case and there's some credibility to the complaint given against the chief minister.
See, there is no credibility. See, I think we have pointed out various other cases where they are asked for prosecution. The cases of Mr. Kumar Swamy, the cases of some other minister, Mr. Nirani, XYZ, former ministers and all. Their investigation has already been done.
Yeah.
Supreme Court has directed. Charge sheet has been filed. After everything has been done, they have asked for the prosecution by the Excellency Governor of Karnataka. Here, a layman applies to the governor, files a complaint to the police station. If any investigation has been done by some authority or some commission, if they have found that yes, there is some valid reason, or they may agree, they may not agree, then they would have. There is no a small petition. Tomorrow anyone can give. Anyone against all the 33 ministers, they can give a petition. And can governor file an sanction to all those things? There is a law.
But
in some cases,
he would have taken legal opinion also.
See, when in my case, I'm telling you, in my case, income tax credit, my case. Then income tax referred it to the ED. Then ED entered. Some investigation that it is right or wrong, it has been already the court took a decision, that is a different question. But an investigation was being done, some investigation was being done by the income tax department.
There was a preliminary investigation done.
Then they filed it to ED.
Yeah.
But here such case has not happened. Such case has not happened here. No investigation has been done here. If any investigation has been done by any agency, okay, fine. Siddaramaiah appointed, being a chief minister, he appointed a few bureaucrats. Then he appointed a commission. Still no investigation has been done. Investigation is going on.
So you are saying governor should have waited for the preliminary investigation report?
Of course, of course, of course. Of course.
Today your party has written to the President of India with all your MLA signatures, asking her to guide the governor to take back the sanction.
Sure.
You have
It is even my request. Even I have been requesting, I have been appealing to the governor that better withdraw the prosecution. That was the advice being given by the cabinet to him to reject the petition.
Today, BJP also protested in Vidhan Sauda. In fact, JDS and BJP together. What most of the leaders spoke was that it is the own Congress people who are trying to pull down the chief minister, is what many of the BJP netas who are talking there.
They want to do politics. What they have. They doesn't have strength in their case. They want to name X. They wanted to try to divide the party. All these things they are doing.
In fact, they picked your name saying, Mr. CM, be careful of the deputy chief minister.
Oh, I think we can look at their hypocrisy. They are the cunning foxes of the state.
And also, sir, Kumar Swamy's prosecution is in front of the governor. Today also, this topic was spoken about in the High Court, and in the petition copy also this was attached. That why is the governor not acting against former Chief Minister Kumar Swamy? He says that the case is already in the court. The case is already in the court and being heard in the investigation stage, so there is no question of sanction of prosecution at this point.
Then why did the Lokayukta write to the governor? If it is court, after the matter was being discussed in the court directed, then they have returned to the Lokayukta. Then why the governor has asked for some clarification on the same issue now?
Is the party rallying behind the chief minister fully? All the MLAs, MLCs, MPs, High Command, party cadres here?
From Mallikarjun Kharge ji to the last worker of the party, from the president of the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee, all my 138 legislators, including my associate members, we all stand by him, we will support him. There is no question of resignation.
There's no question of resignation?
No question of resignation. He will be my chief minister, he will continue.
Because they did a Mysore Padayatra. Tomorrow they'll do some other form of protest.
Every day.
And they'll put pressure on you and the government.
Yeah, let them do every day. Let them do whatever want.
They're saying there is a question of morality. If there is an investigation ordered against you, on moral basis, Yediyurappa resigned.
Congress party has a big ethical values Congress party has. In various cases, party has taken it. Here it is only vindictive politics. What happened to Rahul Gandhi? What they did for Rahul Gandhi? Ultimately what happened? They tried to remove him from the parliament itself. Is that a case? Is there not a shame on their party having tried? Ultimately the law of this country protected him. Now he has been elected
from two constituencies.
In the two constituencies.
Do you think the union government is behind Raj Bhavan? Are you saying BJP is behind the governor acting this way, or the union government itself?
See, it is a political party. The BJP, JDS, both can't digest a backward class man to be the chief minister number one. With this leadership and my presidency, we have got 136 plus. What guarantees we are going to give? They feel that with this guarantee, Karnataka model has improved and they have been forced to give guarantees in other part of the country. So to see that we are trying to help the downtrodden people, they doesn't want a Congress government to be here. That is why they are creating a problem.
Also, is this a ego battle between DK Shivakumar versus Kumaraswamy? Because both of you are targeting each other in terms of your speeches, whenever you speak to the media, because you hit a shot, he hits another shot in the media. Is it a personal fight between you and him?
And I don't want to have a personal fight of anything. He has some ego problem because he has been lost all his elections against only one election. My brother lost against his brother-in-law. Apart from that, he has been losing elections against us. So he thought that he will form the government. He will be the joker. He could not become the joker. Under my leadership, it is 136. Under his leadership, only 19 seats. He thought that last time we supported him to become the chief minister as a secular government. He is known for his backstabbing. He never keeps up his word. I am telling you, today BJP also will repent one day.
You are saying BJP will repent
100%.
shaking hands with Kumaraswamy?
100%.
That he might backstab BJP also?
100%. 100%.
He has no other option. Either if he's not with them, he has to be with you.
See, what did he do? See, only two parliament members he won. He has got a cabinet post.
Yeah, 2 portfolios.
Whatever may 2 or 20, let it have. He has got this one. They took a decision for Padayatra. He said that I have distributed some his
Pen drives.
pen drive.
Yeah.
Then he said that BJP leader has done it. See, it's double standard. His life is full of double standard.
But he's saying that I have evidences about the pen drive, that Mr. Shivakumar is behind breaking my family.
Please who has stopped it? What he said, within 15 days he has countered himself. I am a street fighter and a straight fighter, but he is a backstabber.
You spoke about the guarantees as well. Many of your MLAs are putting pressure on the Chief Minister as well as you that maybe reduce the amount of money that being spent on guarantees, give us development fund, constituency fund. Is the pressure mounting on you and your Chief Minister?
Nothing. We have committed for the guarantees and we are doing it. Development is also going on. Who said there is no development? Development is going on in constituency in various other projects. Is 56 crores being given to the people of Karnataka is not the development? It is not the gain for every family? Is not the light has been lit? Stomachs has been filled? Education fees have been given by this money? It is the thorough development of 1 crore 50 lakh people.
But also the infrastructure is what MLA is asking. Roads, hostels,
it's going on. It
schools.
is going on. We have not stopped anything.
You're promising the guarantees will continue for next 4 years?
It will continue not even for 4 years. Again, Congress government will come. We will continue that.
And sir, in this whole issue of the MUDA scam, one of the press conference CM said we will also investigate all the scams put up by BJP and JDS in their previous tenure. What is the status of it? Why is it that it's not going to a logical conclusion or logical end?
Pardon?
That you will also investigate former governments, BJP government's scams and JDS government scam. What is the status of this inquiry? Why is it?
It is going on. Commissions have been formed, inquiry is going on. Already various issues have been proved. Time will answer for it.
In retrospect, do you feel that you should have been more offensive towards the opposition?
I don't want to disclose all those issues now.
And is there any cabinet reshuffle, sir? Recently, the High Command also came here, spoke to all of you before the cabinet meeting. There was talks about many aspirants being there and few of them being dropped. Is there any talk of the reshuffle?
No, I think it is left to the party High Command. Party High Command can take a decision any point of time. We doesn't involve in it.
You spoke about the High Command. On 23rd, if I'm not wrong, that the Chief Minister is going to Delhi to meet the party High Command. What is the meeting about agenda? Because Mr. Kharge is already from Karnataka. He knows exactly what is happening. He said that governor office is being used by the BJP as well. Then what is the need of the trip to go to Delhi to explain to the High Command?
It is not an issue to be discussed in the media.
Are you also part of the trip, sir? Would you also be?
Sure.
You don't want to give out what the agenda of the meeting is?
Why should I discuss with the media? what best is in the interest of the party and my government we will do. We never discuss things with the media.
And whenever Kumaraswamy says that, Mr. Siddaramaiah, be careful, people behind you are trying to push you down. And CM smiles every time. I mean, you were next to the CM in the press conference. He smiled and says, that is natural, it's politics.
That is why I called him a backstabber. He backstabs others.
No, but I also want to ask you, is Mr. Shivakumar the CM in waiting, in number 2 in line?
Party will take its call at the appropriate time.
You're hopeful, but?
I'm not worried about it. 5 years mandate to the Congress party. My chief minister is Mr. Siddaramaiah. He is leading and he will lead.
You also spoke about the BJP trying to destabilize the government. With 136 MLAs, how is it even mathematically possible that you can't remove 50, 60 MLAs and then move to another party?
Mr. Kumaraswamy and Mr. BJP central minister spoke on that. No, within 10 months they will remove this government. It is on record. Why are you not speaking on that?
But I'm saying, is it even possible to do it?
Whether it is possible or not, they are very famous for it. They can't do it, that is a different question.
Have there been attempts?
They are trying to do it.
Okay. They're trying to poach your MLAs.
Lot of things they have tried, they have failed, and they are going to this sort of games.
What is your take on the recent Lok Sabha elections, sir? Because BJP came down below the majority, and it was the alliance parties which is supporting now in the central government. Do you think Prime Minister will continue for the next 5 years, or there will be some hiccups?
I don't want to discuss much on the national politics as far as this is concerned.
And also when you met the Prime...
But one thing is that it is very clear that this sun which had been raised high, it is coming down.
So the BJP's era is coming down, you feel? The photograph went viral. You and the Prime Minister met. I think it was some infrastructure project that you had gone to meet him. But the body language of the Prime Minister was very positive, was very warm to you when he was meeting you.
How can you read it? You have not seen what I had given the representation. I have released it. On the same representation, my metro project has been cleared.
The phase 3 of BMRCL.
Number 3, again I could see and reply from the irrigation ministry that what has been announced in the budget has not been accepted. Even that also is there. I have given a lot of other proposals for the interest of Bangalore.
Final question. So where do you think this center versus state conflict will go and reach? Today is the Raj Bhavan. Previously it was the grants that was not coming from the central government is what you feel. Every day there is a conflict between you and the central government. Where do you see this going?
It is not only Karnataka. It may be West Bengal, it may be Tamil Nadu, it may be Kerala. All the opposition ruled states are suffering in the same manner.
And finally, before we end, sir, Mr. Shivakumar is firmly behind the Chief Minister, supporting him, making sure that he will not resign and putting all your weight and political experience behind him.
100%, or you can take more than 100%, even 200%. I stand behind him.
No iota of doubt that you are behind the Chief Minister today?
I am with the Chief Minister.
With all support?
Not behind, with the Chief Minister.
With the Chief Minister. Fine. At that note, we'll end this conversation. That was D.K. Shivakumar, the President of Karnataka Congress, saying that he is with the Chief Minister. No matter what, the Chief Minister will not resign, and High Command is firmly behind the CM as well as the state government. Thank you so much. Keep watching India Today for more updates.